To order a new Rapid Pay card, start by gathering the necessary information and documents. You will need your social security number, date of birth, and a valid government-issued identification. Make sure you have access to your current account information, including your account number and routing number. Next, visit the website of your bank or financial institution and navigate to the Rapid Pay card section. Look for the option to order a new card and click on it. You will be prompted to log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be asked to provide the necessary information and verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or providing additional documentation. Be sure to have all the required information readily available to avoid any delays. After verifying your identity, you will be able to select the type of Rapid Pay card you want to order. Choose the card that best suits your needs and click on the Order Now button. Review the terms and conditions of the card, including any fees or interest rates, before submitting your order. You will then be asked to confirm your shipping address and select a delivery method. Make sure your address is up to date and accurate to ensure timely delivery of your new card. You may also have the option to expedite shipping for an additional fee. Once you have confirmed your order, you will receive a confirmation number and an estimated delivery date. You can use this information to track the status of your new card. It is also a good idea to keep a record of your confirmation number and order details for future reference. In addition to ordering a new Rapid Pay card online, you may also be able to do so by phone or in person at a bank branch. Be sure to have all the necessary information and documentation ready to avoid any delays. By following these steps, you can easily order a new Rapid Pay card and start enjoying the benefits of Rapid Pay.